So when the fish suffers from barotrauma, they need help in order to return back down to the bottom. One way that you can help fish suffering from barotrauma is to use a venting tool. A venting tool is a sharp, hollow tubed instrument that will allow the air to escape from the body cavity of the fish. That way the fish has a better chance of swimming back down. Things like knives and ice picks are not venting tools because they're not hollow tubes that will allow air to escape. When we want to vent a fish, we'll lay it on its side and lay the pectoral fin flat on the body. About 1 to 2 inches behind the base of the pectoral fin, you can insert the venting tool at a 45-degree angle until you hear the air escaping. Once all of the air has escaped, you can release the fish back into the water, and now it will have a much greater chance of being able to survive and make it down to the bottom.